think the way you can work on being a more secure person is by figuring out who you are and what's important to you, what your values are. So if you don't know what your values are, I would say that you kind of don't know what's important to you. You might think things are important to you, but they're important to you because somebody else told you that they're supposed to be important to you. So taking some time to figure out what your values are and how you can act those out in your life. So, for example, if you say, I value health, I value honesty, I value family, I value open mindedness, I value creativity, there's an idea that if you know what your values are, then anytime you're confronted with a choice in your life where you could go left or right, somebody offers you a chili cheese dog and your value is health and you're trying to have that be a part of your identity is health, then it makes the choice easier because at least you know that health is a value of yours. If you know that honesty is a value of yours when you're confronted with a choice to be honest or dishonest, at least you know what your value is. And I think that this all connects with being secure with who you are as a person because you know who you are and you know what's important to you. Whatever you're motivated by, that's okay. That's what you're motivated by. That's what you're supposed to be motivated by until you're not motivated by that anymore. And just know that in different stages of your life, you'll be motivated by different things. So there's no right or wrong answers when it comes to your values.